Hello there, I'm Sylvia, the crafty old lady, and today I thought I'd try to make a mini collage with some of this stuff that I got. I was thinking about putting this like in here like this, and then trimming around it. But first I'm gonna try using, whoops, I can't get this lid off. Oh my goodness. There. I'm going to put some of this on here, and let's see how that works. It's sticking to it. Make sure I get most of the bug. Okay, so that's good. Oh, yep, it's sticking, and I didn't think about all these little indents that I'm going to have to cut out. I should have cut the... Yeah, I should cut this differently. Let's see. Hopefully. Which way were we doing it? That way. Let's see, is that good? I think that will work. Maybe just a teensy bit smaller here. I really don't want to have to cut in and out of all those things. Okay, that's the right side. I think that's going to work. Yeah. All right, so that's that. And then I was thinking about maybe something like this, which I would also have to cut first. Let's see, I better mark it. I better mark it. I think it goes this way. Okay, and my pencil is here. I'm going to mark it like right here. Cut there. And we'll try doing the same thing with this. Let's see, I think it went down 3. Okay, so I think I just actually, yeah, I wanted to use the other side. Oh, it's down too low. Okay, gotta go there. All right, I think that will work. Yes, that will work. I'll just cut this off here. So we've got that, and then I'll put something on here. I was going to use this one I made just from cutting out squares, but I think I'll skip it unless I figure something out. Like, could do that, I suppose. Something like that. I don't think I want to use this again. So let me see what else I've got to use. I was just realizing there's really not a lot of space to add something like this. And since I really wanted this color to show and not the white, I think I'm going to just glue this to the top of that, and then I'll have it be the color that I want it to be. So let's do that. I think I may have to cut that strip down a little bit. I also need to make sure I get this on perfectly. Okay, that is about as perfect as I'm going to get it. Maybe I can put one more thing in there like that. Yeah. Okay, let's do that. And so, I won't have to cut that part off. Today's my husband's first day back at work. I think this will, I just have to trim this down a teensy bit, like right there. Alright, let's get some and he has made it a few hours. He was hoping to make it 5 hours because he normally only works 4 or 5 hours a day. Oops. So so far he has been there for 4 hours. So he's doing good. I think I'm going to ink this up just slightly. So this big like truck stopped in front of my house, and I'm like, I didn't order anything, and I don't think our tenants ordered anything big. They better not drop off something big in my driveway. But they moved on, thank goodness. They must have been just stopping to check for the address, because we have 2 roads right near each other that have very similar names, and mine is one of them, and things are always getting mixed up. So, alright, so we've got this and this, and I was thinking, this is a real one that I had from somewhere. I'm trying to figure out, well, I can't really tell what it is. I like the color of this one better. But I like the size of this one better. So I think I got that. I think we'll just do something like that. I'll obviously have to trim off some of this. I'll put it this way. Still trim off a teeny bit. This can go underneath everything like that. That looks kind of cute. I don't know what I'm trying to do here. Just use up my supplies that I have. And then I think that's it. And we'll figure out, I think I'm going to use the Dollar Tree tape. Figure out something to maybe like a saying or a word or something put on there. I know that this tape does not show through. I'm not sure about that tape runner that I had, so I'm gonna go ahead and use this tape for this little transparent thing. Okay. I hope you're all doing well. I hope you're happy and healthy, and safe. Oh, I got a message. Alright, that's working. So you messaging me. I took my poor Dobby out today. As I mentioned in a previous video, it is 2 degrees or less. In the next 2 days it's going to be. It's about 2 degrees now. And I had to carry him from the house to his peeing area, his potty area, and back again, because the last time I took him out, he could not walk back to the house. He was so frozen. So now we're just carrying him to the spot where he wants to go to the potty, and then we will carry him back to the house, and then that way his feet won't get so cold. Poor little guy. He's getting old, and that's too much for him. It's too cold for him. I hope this works. I hope it'll hold this on there. We'll put this like this, and then put this. I don't think this will show through this kind of transparency. I don't think so. We'll put this like this. And now I need to find some words for it. But this is what it's looking like so far. I'm trying to finish up this little collage book within the next couple of weeks. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 more pages. I did take some pages out. Alright, let's find some words that match the color scheme too. Alright, so I didn't find anything in here that I wanted to put on here, but I looked in my big box of cutout words and I found these words that I had cut out of a book, and I put them on very crookedly, but that's alright. We can make something out of this. I thought, maybe they're making a movie or something, or specimen slides or something. So we can make something out of this, and that is it for this little video. Thanks so much for following along with me. I appreciate your support, and don't forget to check out my freebies on my Ko-fi page. The link is down below. Just go to my shop and you'll be able to download some vintage copies of vintage ephemera from my own family, passed down from my ancestors. So check them out, and thanks so much for watching. Bye bye.